So it wasn't actually the incarnation cross in my human design that helped me understand my purpose. I want to tell you what it was instead, because I think if you come across human design the same way if you come across your astrology chart, you go rushing looking for your purpose. And in human design, we just want to look at the incarnation cross. Like, what am I here to do? What's my purpose? And the same with the gene keys. You might jump to life's work and life purpose, but they might not make sense. They might not be tangible enough for you to go, oh, that's why I'm here on the planet at this crazy time for this reason. It was actually my profile that clued me in that I was on the right track, and the things I was being called to do, or at least I felt called to do, matched. It really matched that profile. So I'm a 1-3 profile, which is the investigation martyr. And how that works is I learned through the process of trial and error. That's normal for me. So that was super interesting because that means I actually need to sometimes fail in order to then teach or share what I've learned, which is hard if you've grown up as a perfectionist, which I have. And then the researcher part, I was researching everything. So why I say these profile numbers are so important is because I was researching, I was learning, I was doing trial and error, and I was wanting to share that. I was wanting to share what I learned, those insights and digital programs, but because I didn't quite understand it, and because I was like, is this really like why I'm here, what I'm here to do? You know, do I really want to do this? I was second guessing a lot. Once I understood that natural desire to learn, to try things out, and then to teach people and share it, that's just it, like literally in my chart. And it just resonated so truly with me that it stopped all that second guessing. Like human design, what I'm sharing here now. I've gone down the rabbit hole, so you don't have to go as far down. I've read through the stuff, I've taken courses, and now I'm like, okay, here's what I would look at if I were just starting out in human design, because that is what helped me so much. So if you go look at your profile line and just start to wonder like, oh, that's like my personality. This is just, I'm wired to do this, and see how it resonates, because in my case, especially, it was so helpful. And I actually work as a copywriter in my daily profession. And when I started applying people's human design and gene keys to the copy, it really was a game changer, because then they understood their resonance, their energy, and again, like, why am I doing this? And how do I best do it? Look at the profile line and let me know in the comments what yours is and what you think after you do.